bee make? Can Mr. Brown can buzz? Can you go buzz buzz?
No.
Jace, say buzz buzz.
Buzz.
Good job.
How about you? Can you go? Can you make a sound like a cork? Pop.
Pop.
Good job.
Can you make a sound like horses' feet?
Dog.
Clip clop,
Dog.
clip clop.
Dog.
Can you say clip clop?
Tick tock.
Clip clop.
Can you sound like a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Can you say doodle doo?
Good do do.
Good job.
Can you sound like an owl? Hoo, hoo.
Hoo.
Cheese.
What does an owl say? Hoo hoo.
Who?
Hoo hoo.
That's the poo.
Can you sound like rain? Drip drop.
Jukebox.
Can you sound like a clock and say tick tock?
Tick tock.
Good job.
Can you
Cheese. Cheese.
You're cute.
can you sound like a hand on a door? Knock knock.
Knock cock.
Good job.
Knock cock. Cheese.
Mr. Brown can whisper.
Can you whisper?
Very soft
Tick tock.
Can you
and
whisper?
very high.
Boy.
Like the soft whisper of a butterfly.
Cheese.
Can you whisper, Jace?
Jace, can you whisper like this?
Cheese.
That's the opposite.
Cheese.
You gotta whisper. Shh. Whisper.
Cheese.
We'll work on that one.
Cheese.
You're so cute.
What sound does a cow make, Jace?
Say bye. Say bye. Bye.